One Balloon Tutorial.
What's that with a big smile? It's a crocodile. Please welcome in Cloud Action.
Start by pumping up a green 260 balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 10 cm tail. Start with making 2 pinch twists. This becomes the eyes of the crocodile. Now make a 5 cm bubble and then a 7 cm bubble. Twist it together back to the pinch twist. This makes the mouth of the crocodile. Make a 5 cm bubble for the neck. Now make 2 3 cm bubbles for one leg. And make another 2 3 cm bubbles for another leg. Now make a 10 cm bubble for the body. And make another leg by making 2 3 cm bubbles. And one last leg with 2 3 cm bubbles. Now squish the rest of the balloon to give the tail a little bit of shape. Adjust the body as you need. And the twisting part is done. Using a white marker, draw 2 upside down semicircles for the eyes. Use a black marker to outline them. Make them quite fierce. Draw in some nostrils at the front. Draw some zigzag lines for the teeth. Now using a green marker, color in the eyes. Now for the crocodile patterns, draw a row of thick circles in the middle and 2 rows of smaller circles on the side. This imitates the spikes of the crocodile from a bird's eye view. Now repeat that along the body and the tail. And your balloon crocodile is complete.
Well, I have a balloon crocodile. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.